There you go.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. So I'm just going to talk about a little bit about the loop terminology, and then eventually focus on the gamma loop, which we'll go over again. So I'm just going to use the interaction with the whiteboard to help with this. So I'm going to draw. Can they see the whiteboard yet?
No, you need to share the screen. Zoom.
Yeah, got it.
Screen.
There we go.
Yeah, and then flip it off, swipe it up. The browser, Safari.
Thank you. Okay, so you can see the whiteboard now. So people think of loops, and in this case, we've got a loop which looks a bit like that. I call that an open loop. And you'll recognize this from this shape